Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Mapo Family Organizer app review in order to see if the app is totally worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the Mapo Family Organizer app, it offers all-in-one solution for families managing shared calendar, to-do list, meal planning, grocery tracking, and more. It's praised for its clean design and core features that can replace multiple apps, which make it strong pick for busy households. On the downside, users frequently mention bugs, crashes, slow performance, and limitation in free version. Also, point out that the subscription pricing and first updates are frustrating, especially when key features feel locked behind a paywall. So, if you're looking for a dedicated family organization app, you are willing to pay for premium features and can tolerate some glitches, Mapo is worth using or trying. It's actually worth trying. If you prefer a more stable, fully free option, you might want to explore any other alternative app that works in line with this app. And that's it. I hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure to subscribe for more review.